What's up, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft cocktails you can make for the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and today we'll be going over the Daiquiri. The Daiquiri dates back to 1898, right at the turn of the 20th century, and a guy by the name of Jennings Stockton Cox, who was an American engineer. He was working in the mines at Daiquiri, which is a small village within Cuba, and he had a group of men that he led, and he had to order rations for them. Well, along with food and other necessities, one of these rations was actually Bacardi, Carta Blanca, which is just the white regular light rum of Bacardi, which was made nearby. And he experimented with different mixtures that he had on hand, and then finally he came up with rum, lime juice, and sugar, and then that's how the Daiquiri was created. However, if you were to ask his granddaughter, according to her, she said that he came up with the recipe idea when he was hosting a party in Daiquiri with some of his American friends, and he was serving gin but ran out of gin, so he had to serve rum. But he didn't want to serve the rum just straight up, so the only thing he had on hand that he could mix with the rum was lime juice and sugar. And so that might be another different story of how the drink got created. All in all, regardless of whichever story you believe, Jennings Stockton Cox is the guy that is attributed to making the drink, and that's all that matters. And from that point forward, the drink will become popularized within the U.S., and it will become, some of the notable favorites of President JFK and Ernest Hemingway. Now with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. So first things first, you're going to start by chilling your glass by just filling it with ice and water. While your glass is chilling, you then want to put 2 ounces of light rum into your shaker. Then you want to do 1 ounce of lime juice. After your lime juice, then you want to do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. You can also use Demerara syrup, which has like a coffee, like toffee taste. I don't have Demerara, but that is a really key element in daiquiris and other like tiki and rum-based cocktails. Then you want to put ice in your shaker and give it a little shake. After that, you then want to dump the water and ice from your chilled glass and then strain your ingredients into your glass. Finally, you then want to garnish with either a lime wheel or a lime wedge. So I'll just go ahead and do a wheel. Make a small indentation there. Set it on there just like that. And there you have a Daiquiri. And now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. Man, so first thing, daiquiris are tart. And actually I want to say, I think people kind of get the wrong idea about daiquiris. Since it was created, it's since been commercialized, over the years. So now you have like frozen daiquiris and like strawberry daiquiris and all this like really overly sweet stuff. That is not what the actual original Daiquiri recipe holds. This is very much so a tart drink, kind of sour with that lime juice in there. Don't get me wrong, it does have sweetness in there due to the simple syrup, but yeah, it's not quite as sweet as you might think given the word daiquiri. So Very, very good tasting drink though. You know, I think a daiquiri is a perfectly good, you know, starter cocktail for people who are newer to drinking. It, you know, like I said, it can throw you off if you were expecting something overly sweet, because that is not what a real daiquiri is. You can make it sweeter, you know, by toning down the lime juice and maybe adding more simple syrup. It's up to you, it's your personal preference, but no, it's a great beginner drink for sure. But thank you guys for watching this week's video. I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.